Attention sculptors, cabinet makers, contractors, garden suppliers, light manufacturers, artists, makers of all kinds. Located right on Oak Bay Road, just north of Fort Ludlow, Washington. This shy 8 acres includes 2 residential building lots as well as a half-acre commercial area with a 3,000 square foot building. For 30 years, this was Kristine's Cabinets. A busy cabinet maker, but now it's time for retiring. Just look at what you've got here. Imagine the possibilities. Live where you work. Run your own company from the comfort of your home. Whatever light industrial business you have in mind, this could be the place for you. Beautiful shop downstairs. You've got acreage all around you. The 2 building lots have water and power. All you need to do is get septic and you can put a house on them, or you could use that as a display area for your product. Give me a call. Let's talk about it. All the possibilities. I'm Brian Deal, and as always, thanks for watching.